Today I am going to show how to prepare fermented rice. This rice is having a rich vitamin B12. It is a very simple preparations. Whatever the rice left over in the night, you have to take out and you have to put little water in that rice, or else if you put little buttermilk or of a teaspoon of this curd with water. Next morning, if you eat that rice, that will be fermented, especially after mixing with this buttermilk and water, it should not be placed inside of the fridge. It should be kept in a room temperature covered with one plate. So it should get fermented naturally, and next day it will be having a rich vitamin B12. And as per some articles which I have seen, that the percentage of vitamin B12 from the normal rice to fermented rice is 2000 times. So like this, it's a very important food, and in India, in coastal area, many people are consuming this in generally as a staple food. Thank you.